Hi friends, I'm Olivia Smith. Thanks for visiting my YouTube channel where I share the latest global news every day. You can also read more news on TimeGlitter.com. You can find all the links in the video description below. Friends, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now let's jump into today's news. News headline: Fani Willis and Judge Scott McAfee draw challengers in Fulton County primary. News details: Fulton County's District Attorney Fani Willis and Judge Scott McAfee are facing re-election challenges as the qualification period for Georgia's 2024 election ends. Willis will contend with a Republican opponent in November. In the Democratic primary, Christian Smith, an attorney from Sandy Springs, Georgia, is challenging Willis. Smith, a former prosecutor, previously finished third in the 2020 race, trailing behind Willis and former District Attorney Paul Howard. During his 2020 campaign, Smith took positions to the left of Willis. He advocated for ending death penalty prosecutions, eliminating cash bail, and decriminalizing marijuana. Smith actively participated in George Floyd protests in Atlanta, aligning himself with the Black Lives Matter movement. He emphasized prosecuting Atlanta police officers involved in the fatal shooting of Jimmy Atcheson and criticized Willis's role in prosecuting teachers in the Atlanta cheating scandal while she served as an assistant district attorney. In a different approach, Willis garnered support from moderate Democrats and Republicans, often overlooked in heavily Democratic Fulton County. They were discontented with Howard's prosecutorial methods amid increasing crime rates and corruption allegations in his office. With no other options on the ballot, Willis convincingly defeated Howard in a runoff last August, ending his 20-year incumbency. Smith backed Howard. Republicans will field Courtney Kramer in the general election against Willis. Kramer, an Atlanta attorney, previously worked with Donald Trump's legal team in Georgia, notably during the fake elector debacle that resulted in the indictment of Trump and 18 others by Willis' office. Kramer also served as the former executive director of True the Vote and represented the organization in legal battles against Fair Fight Action, founded by Stacey Abrams. Willis has faced legal scrutiny since revelations surfaced about her relationship with Nathan Wade, the special prosecutor in the Trump case in Georgia. McAfee is expected to decide next week whether Willis and the Fulton County office will continue as prosecutors in the trial or if another prosecutor will be assigned. McAfee, presiding over the Trump election interference and racketeering case in Fulton County, is challenged from the left by two contenders: Robert Patillo, a progressive attorney and talk show host in Atlanta, and Tiffany Johnson, a former senior staff attorney for Fulton County Judge Melanie Leftridge. McAfee, age 34, has served as a prosecutor both in Fulton County and for the U.S. Department of Justice. He is a conservative affiliated with the Federalist Society and was appointed to the bench by Governor Brian Kemp in 2023. In Georgia, judicial appointees must subsequently run for office to complete the remainder of a term. Patillo, age 39, has practiced civil rights law for over 15 years in Georgia. He hosts a long-standing radio show on Atlanta's WAOK, where his occasionally unconventional political perspectives are aired. There are many issues within the Fulton County court system that require attention beyond Fani and the Trump trial, Patillo remarked. There are individuals who have been languishing in jail for 5 years awaiting trial. Any aspiring judge must have a plan to expedite these cases to trial. Johnson has worked for the Davis-Bozeman law firm, known for handling civil rights cases in Atlanta. Although judicial races are nonpartisan in Georgia, Fulton County holds a significant Democratic voter advantage, with a 3-to-1 ratio. Friends, don't forget to hit the like button, drop a comment, share with others, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.